Alright, so the next routine that's good to learn once you have the basic figure eights is to learn the machine guns. And once you've learned the staggered fast figure eight, you pretty much know the routine. You basically just repeat that, which in turn would be a volley. So you're going to start off with the staggered figure eight, fast figure eight. And you're going to do that 2 times. And once you've done that, then you're just going to do staggered volleys. So, of course, before you do this, make sure you can do the volleys, so go through the different times. Together time. Staggered. Slightly more staggered. Head and do 1 volley, 4 volleys, just a 4-crack pattern. Alright, so just 4 cracks like that, and do that staggered. Alright, we'll do that again. Alright, so go ahead and do your fast figure eights. And then the volley. And take it as slow as you need to, because the hardest part of this is getting the staggering just right on the volleys when you get it up to full speed. Because if you're not careful, then your cracks are just going to end up being together. And you want to hear each individual crack to sound like a machine gun. Alright, so usually when people do this, they do, I think it's 8 volleys, so it looks like this, slow. And that's, a typical number you could do. You can do it longer if you want, really doesn't matter. So again, just start off slow, make sure you can get the stagger just right, and then slowly increase the speed. Then, of course, to end it, you could just swing out of it into a cattleman's crack or whatever. So that's the machine guns.